Now again one question for 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. Now find the inverse of the matrix. Now the order is 3 by 3. Again we have to follow the same step what we did for 2 by 2. Okay. So step 1 is to find determinant. Okay. So determinant of A is equal to 1 with 2 with 4 8 minus 2 with minus 3 it is 6 minus 1 with 0 with 4 0 plus 9. Okay, minus 3 with 3, then plus 2, again we are having 0 minus 6. Now this becomes 2 plus 9 minus 12, this is equal to minus 1. Okay, so now what we have to write, never forget the step, because here marks can be deducted for this part. Okay, so determinant of A is not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Then second step is to find cofactors. Okay, now step 2, find cofactors. Cofactors of matrix. Okay, so now let's start with finding the cofactors. First one, A11 is equal to minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 with 2 minus 3 minus 2 4, and this becomes minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 with 8 minus 6. This is equal to 2. Okay, first cofactor is 2. Now similarly we can proceed for all the 9 cofactors. Second thing, if you are not writing like this part, you can directly approach for this part. Okay, marks will not be deducted for these things. Okay, so A12. Now A12 minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 with, now I am doing it with the, okay, let me do with the same manner. Okay, now this becomes, now we are on the second, 0 minus 3 3 4, this is equal to minus 1 with plus 9 4 plus 9. Okay, and this is equal to minus 9. Similarly we can move with A13. A13 is equal to minus 1 1 plus 3 with 0 2 3 minus 2. This is equal to now minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 3 with minus 6. 0 minus 6. Okay, so here it becomes minus 6. Okay, then we are having A21 is equal to minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 with, now we are on with this row and this row is deleted, we are having minus 1 2 and minus 2 4. So here is negative, so we are in minus 1 with minus 4 plus 4, this is equal to 0. Okay, A21 is 0. Now A22 minus 1 with 2 plus 2. Now for A22, this one and this one, 1 2 3 4, it is 1 2 3 4. So we are having positive of 1, minus 1 raised to power 4, positive of 1 with 4 minus 6, this is equal to minus 2. Okay, it is minus 2. Now after A22 we are having now A21 23. A23 minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 3 with, now for A23 we are having 1 minus 1 3 minus 2. Okay, this becomes now minus 1 raised to power odd number, it is negative of minus 2 3 with minus 1 is negative of 3 and negative plus 3. This is equal to minus 1. Okay. Then A31 minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 1 with. Now for 31 we are having minus 1, 2. For 31, 2 and minus 3. This becomes now negative of 1 power with even number. It is 1. 1 with negative 3 is 3. 3 minus 4. This is equal to minus 1. Okay. Then we are having A32 minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 2 with. Now for A32 for this part. This and this is divided 1, 0, 2 minus 3. 1, 0, 2 and minus 3. Now we are having minus 1 with minus 3 and 0. So this becomes positive of 3. Okay. Last one we are having A33 negative of 1 with 3 plus 3 and last term we are having 1 minus 1 0 with 2. So we are having 1 with 2, that is 2. Okay. So we have got all the 9 cofactors. Let's check it. 9 cofactors. Number 1 minus 6. Then A21. A21 is 0. A13, sorry, I have started from here. Okay. First of all 2. 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8 and 9. All the 9 cofactors we have find it. Now let me write the cofactors. Cofactors are, we are having cofactors. First is 2, minus 9, minus 6, then 0, minus 2, minus 1 and then minus 1, 3 and 2. Okay. All the 9 cofactors. Now what is inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A with adjoint A. Now this is equal to A inverse is equal to 1 upon negative of 1. A determinant is negative of 1. Negative of 1 with cofactors in the transpose form. Okay. 2 minus 9 minus 6 0 minus 2 minus 1 and minus 1 3 and 2. Okay. Or we can write it now. A inverse is equal to, outside is negative of 1, it is minus 2 9 6 all positive, sorry, it is minus 2 0 and 1, then 9 2 negative of 3 6 1 negative of 2. Okay, and this is what? This is our answer. Okay, so like this, for finding the inverse, first of all we have to find determinant of A. It should not be a 0. If it is 0, then you can write it A inverse does not exist and you have to stop there. Okay, then all the cofactors, then cofactor in the transpose, it becomes adjoint, and then a formula. A inverse is equal to 1 of determinant of A multiplied by adjoint of A. Okay, nice.